16 cases of E. coli have been reported in Wood County as of today. Our Trent Croce is at the health department tonight. And Trent, you talked to the health department commissioner there earlier today about what the department is doing. What did you find out today?
Melissa, the health department is currently investigating those cases to figure out the main cause, and 6 out of those 16 cases have been hospitalized. While they're still trying to figure out if the cases are linked, they say this is just the beginning. It's an unusual time in Wood County as they have just identified 16 cases of E. coli in the past week in people aged between 13 through 60. This is something they say is way larger than they've seen before.
And over the 5.5 years before these cases were identified, we'd only seen 27 total cases in that whole time.
Ben Robison and the Wood County Health Department have now started an investigation to get to the bottom of it by sending the strains off to Ohio's Department of Health to see if they are related.
If they're the same strain, that's going to lead us to believe that they're likely linked in some way.
It's still early, but some in the community have raised concerns about the recent Wood County fair to blame.
But at this early stage, we don't have reason to believe that the fair has been implicated. What we're looking for is to understand where the information leads us, and that's going to allow us to know what the next steps will be.
Someone can catch E. coli by consuming contaminated products or touching infected surfaces. Robison says 1% of cases require severe medical intervention, but there are things one can do to help prevent the spread.
Wash your hands regularly. You're not allowing someone who's sick to prepare food if you can avoid it. To separate bathrooms if you're able to. If you're not able to, consider doing some disinfection. And then really it's just monitoring your symptoms.
Robison and his team want Wood County residents to let them know if they had symptoms after July 20th.
We'd like you to tell us about it. And so there's an opportunity to report that through a foodborne complaint link that we have.
That link is on WTOL.com right now in the links mentioned section if you have been affected. Robison says that it can take up to 10 days to actually develop the illness, most recover from after a short period of time.
It's not just looking at the place people ate that same day or the day before. It's actually looking back over a longer period of time.
The Wood County Health Department says by Tuesday they are hoping to have more information. We will let you know when we get that as well. Live in Wood County, Trent Croce, WTOL 11.